Hi, so I'm going on my first official trip of the year 2022. This is a trip to Puerto Rico. I'm going with JetBlue. This is not sponsored, by the way, and this is my first time going with JetBlue. My fare is a Blue Basic, which does not include carry-on bags. I've never traveled not including carry-on bags, so this is gonna be a big challenge for me. So for this trip, I'm just gonna pack a backpack. I feel like an official backpacker. This is definitely a trip that is out of my comfort zone. Let's see how I do. So we have my toiletries, underwear here, 2 t-shirts, pajamas, bathing suit, accessories. These are my accessories right here. Earrings, more earrings, ring, which I'm gonna fix later. I love that ring, by the way. You probably see it in a lot of my videos. And pins right here. We have my scarves. I have 3 scarves for this trip. I'm wearing 1 right now, and 3 dresses, shoes, footwear. I'm going to have my hiking boots, which I'm wearing to the airport, my sandals, and my flip-flops for the beach. Okay, so because COVID is not over, I have my COVID test that I'm packing with me just in case I feel sick for some reason. I can know immediately if I have it or not, so that is something I'm also packing along with my trip. Other than that, this is what I'm wearing to the airport. It's very casual. Whenever I go to the airport, I do not like wearing belts because they tell you to take off your belt, and I also don't like wearing buckled shoes just because you know, they tell you to take it off. Although I'm wearing lace shoes, the hiking boots that I showed you, I usually don't wear that. I try to wear something simple like a sandals without any buckle or strap. Oh, I am ready to go.